Hey guys, usually by the start of fall, I like detailing my paint right before winter and fall starts. So I could take care of all the scuff marks during the summer and springtime, as well as put a nice coat of wax on top of it so it will repel water and snow and dust and all the other fun stuff and all the rain. I'm using this portable cordless polisher, which is nice. It has a 4 amp hour battery and it basically lasts for about 2 hours, 3 hours, depending on what speed you're using on it. I usually like using the slower speeds and then gradually going to the medium speeds for buffing. So it's actually pretty awesome for this thing. It comes with pads and everything. The entire kit is really cool, and I actually got extra bonnets for removing and buffing off the polish and compound and stuff. So it's pretty neat. And I have a lot of microfiber to take care of the detailing and small crevices in places. I'm using a polishing compound. You can use any brand you want, but I usually just use a quick polishing compound, and I use ceramic spray to finish it as a quick wax so that it repels water. Now, I'm keeping it very simple because this only takes me about an hour to do with this polishing machine, which is nice. You can also use a corded one, but a cordless one is really fast because you can quickly go through the process and do it. And like I said, this is just a quick compound polish all in one, so it's very fast. I like spreading it around. I only put a little bit at a time, and I work down horizontally, then vertically, and to make sure each panel is done. I do one panel, I keep it nice and uniform, and what we're trying to do is just get rid of some of the light oxidation and all the other stuff off of it. Now I've already painted in some of a few days ago. I already corrected some of the little paint chips and stuff before this polish, so pretty cool. Now that I let it sit, the polish has a little haze to it. I can actually remove the polish now. Now to do that, I'm just going to quickly use a bonnet and put it on top of another pad so that I can just quickly take off that residue and stuff and polish it off. So this buffing is really awesome. It makes it so easy to have a cordless one. A wired one's good, but you basically have the wire over your shoulder, which I do. When I do my spring detailing, I usually use the corded one because it's going to take several hours, and I don't want to be stuck without a battery. Now I'm using the microfiber cloths to actually do the detailing. As you can see, hairline reflections are actually gone on the other side. So one panel is not done yet. This panel is, and it's a lot more brighter. It's a lot less dull, and also it's like a mirror finish too, which is pretty cool. That's what I love about using a buffer, because it just quickly does the job quickly. And I just repeated myself. It's pretty interesting, very, very convenient. And if you're going to take about 2 hours to do this, I would take me about an hour to quickly just do a quick compound buff and then apply a spray ceramic wax onto it. Anyways, this buffer is actually pretty awesome, which is neat. And look at the results. It's pretty awesome. It's nice and shiny, and it's ready for winter. Anyways, guys, it's Sterling W. I hope you find this quick review and quick how-to useful. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.